So today I'm going to the Kingston Creative Art Walk, downtown Kingston, and I'm going to take you guys with me. So let's go. Just made it downtown. Currently downtown, it's so windy. But this is basically the Kingston waterfront. We're gonna walk to FMB, which is basically this, as it's called, FMB, this food and beverage, like restaurant-ish, bar. I don't know what you even call that, but that's where the Kingston Creative People's like building is on, I guess. And then they have the art walk basically behind it, which is like in a parking lot kind of, because there's a bunch of old buildings and stuff. So we're walking down this road. Is this where the museum is, or is the museum on the other side? I feel like it's on the other side. Oh, the marching band, it's that time of the day.
Oh, that's it.
Yeah, I'm like, we're reaching the shed, we're late. Can hear the marching band from right here. It's so windy. Say hello, Shane. First time on the vlog. Old building. What was this? That's what I'm saying. Like, I wish they would just refurbish downtown. The building them nice, you know. Them just need little love. The breeze is not making my hair be great. Hair looks crazy. And we are now at FMB, and it's a building that you can't miss because it's so like colorful. It's like the most colorful building in downtown. ones here too. Even the bar. It's pretty. Let me take a picture of it. The sun is out. We're just walking the first part of the lane and looking at all the paintings and murals and stuff. Oh, that is but it's one color. Oh, yeah. So. Oh, AIDS, World AIDS Day. Oh, okay, so that's why it's red. That's why it's red. That makes sense. Let's move over. This one is really pretty. What is UBUNTU? Huh? It's gorgeous though. I won't say no, you know. No. The more people, the better. Long time don't see. I don't do well with egg. Like, smell that or whatever in a food, I can't. I don't know, people eat, like, how people eat runny egg. It's not raw. It's not raw. Like some part egg, you smell it. I like if people bake and raw, let's spit that shit out. I can't do it. Like cake and something. But I'm always wonder like how people eat it. Like they're okay with it. Like they don't even care. Oh, it's fine. Neither here nor there to me. No, she does say she in the video, but I don't really care. Not to saying she in the video, but like I don't really care. It's fine. It made the part feel like now on the other side of the lane. We were over that side the last time, like all the way back there, and now we're like exploring the other side of the lane. It's really pretty. Taking pictures that you have back there, and then back here. Very pretty. Which one should we go for? I don't even know where to go first. Ma! What happened? Oh my god, there's a bee. He's stuck. I think he's stuck. He's stuck.
No more.
It's just a bee. I go like it's a fly.
No, like that.
Get good luck. The breeze look like it go.
Can I get some money?
And the breeze. Oh, these are beautiful. This look like Taj Francis kind of work. Mom.
Is that Bob Marley?
Yeah, Bob Marley. It's really nice. Breeze are going bad with my ear though. Oh, this is nice. This is a nice spot to take a picture. But who park right so wanna fight them? Wanna fight them? Them couldn't park right so. You say, buddy? Oh, you did? Okay. You went on that side too? Eh. Oh, this is really pretty. I want to take pictures here, but I don't know which one. Here is so, the road is so quiet. Nina. She said she was on her way. Got there. The murals. Like, the murals are never ending. The last time I came down here, it was a while back, like probably 2 years ago or so. And there weren't so many murals then, so it didn't stretch this far down. Even in this lane, it never stretched this far. It was like basically all up by the F&B restaurant. So to see how far like it stretches to now, like the fact that it's like this side and on the side, and it's all so pretty. But yeah, it's really nice. The details on this though. I mean, like the brands.
Like art or whatever.
Well, them have a sponsored. Them have a sponsored. So if you see like the red stripe one, them is red stripe sponsor the mural. Yeah. So that's why them get the branding on it. So a lot of companies sponsor them, and that's why them get them branding.
They prefer than sponsor them.
Yeah. But this is really nice though. But it's a huge sound. Up at the top, water lane. But this is a bar though, or a club. Yeah. Oh, it's a bar.
Yeah, all on the stretch out.
Huh? Oh, this is gorgeous. Yeah.
What is shop?
But this is interesting, the Chinese and the Jamaican stuff.
We don't just sampling today. We have other people we have sampling now.
Wow.
I remember then they say yes, never believe me could have been known. But to job bless, no man curse. Cut and clear the path and walk within the word is good over evil. Life over death, what I live, elevate to higher heights. Me believing on myself is no big fence. How we go? People will say what them want say, but them never walking on your shoes. I'm grateful for this journey. All that energy move is good over evil. Never failed me yet. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Grateful, yes, I'm grateful. I've been burned, now I'm careful. Always loving, never hateful. Loving, never hateful, yes. All things I do, I give it my best. A little happiness in your life. No, you used to suffer in a day, whole night. Oh, I mean, must suffer for the rest of my life. No, so make sure you grow up.
mess on my head. My hair looks like it went to war. Yes, sir. I couldn't record much of Jazalise's performance because my phone died, but you know, we're on our way home. It was a good day. Didn't vlog much, but I vlogged as much as I could. We're heading home now. I'm so hungry. I'm so hungry. Vlog. So hungry.
Vlog, she's always hungry.
That's not true. You know that's far from the truth. Sometimes you're like, girl, aren't you gonna eat?
Yeah, I'm kidding, but she doesn't.
Yeah, I'll be eating like once a day sometimes.
Yeah, fast yourself.
It's not fasting, it's just like if I'm not feel hungry, I'm not gonna eat. You eat when you feel hungry, no? Anyways, guys, we're headed home. I didn't even get to show you guys my sister. My sister came as well, but as I said, my phone died, so
Just insert the video.
oh yeah, I do have like, yeah, true, I'll insert a picture of us and yeah, you guys will see that.
Where do I drive now?